Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I want to show you how to get a pro firm account of $6,000 for free, right? So all you have to do is follow me every step of the way. Okay, now come to your Chrome browser, whatever browser you're using, search for 4traders.com, right? It will bring you to this site. And okay, so this is a broker, it's a site that offers you competitions, right? So basically it's some sort of game with so many players involved in it. Okay, so you'll be given an account to trade, right? And then when you meet the rules and you are profitable at the end of the day, you are going to be rewarded alongside some other players that also did well. Okay, so this is the site. Click on the link in the description to come here, and then you go to tournaments. Okay, so when you click on tournaments, it will take you here and then you just click on join tournament. Okay, there are three tournaments presently. We have the London Clash, New York Clash, and Crypto Saturday. As you can see here, it's I think the London Clash has already started and it ends in next 2 hours. This one also ends in next 2 hours. So this is the one that we can actually get in because it has not started already. Okay, so and as you can see, it requires zero entry fee, right? So you do not have to pay a dime to be a participant in this tournament. So just click on join tournament, right? So as you can see, it starts in a day and few hours, right? So yeah, depending on the day of the week that you are in or the day you are watching this video, if you click on join tournament, you might have the opportunity to start within few hours, right? Or within few minutes or so, right? So but as at the time of recording this video, I have a day and some hours to kickstart this competition, right? So I'm just going to register and join this tournament and wait till when I am going to start this competition. Okay, so basically you just need to sign up.
Every time we touch, my fingers burn. I just want that love, don't leave me hurt. I can feel the rush when we
Okay, so just click on join tournaments and then fill in all of this basic information and click on save and join. Now, once you are done signing up and joining the competition, it will bring you to this interface. This is the control room, right? This is where you have control over everything that is going on in the challenge, right? So basically, you have your losses view here, your profits view, and then your drawdown. Now, for this competition, I have a max drawdown of 10% in order to pass the challenge. Now, there are rules stated here. Let's look at it line by line. Okay, now the first one states the tournament prizes are based on participant numbers. So as more participants join, the prize pool will increase. Now, what this means is that the higher the amount of players, the higher the prices or the higher the reward of the tournament will be. Okay, so if you are 1,000 players, the prices or the reward that is going to be distributed among players is going to increase um massively. You understand? So if there's a limited amount of players, the price is not going to be as large as if there are a large amount of players. Okay, so the second one says we use our own simplified chart for the purpose of this game, which may not correspond to real market move. Now this, like I said earlier, this is a competition. Okay, so a lot of players come together in a virtual, in a simulation, right, to play a game. And the game is what? Buying and selling of currencies, right? So after they play, anybody that meets the terms and conditions and the rules provided for the competition goes home with a prize, right? So that is that. Then okay, now winners will be contacted by email after the game ends. So once you successfully won the competition, they're going to contact you through the email you used to sign up for the competition. Okay, now one account per player. Play fair. Multiple accounts leads to instant disqualification and completing of potential prizes. Now, what this means is that you cannot actually register two accounts for this competition. Okay, you have to use just only one account because if you use two accounts, they're going to trace it by your IP address, especially if you're using it on that same phone or on that same laptop, right? They're going to trace your IP address and then they disqualify your account. They'll disqualify the both accounts at once. You understand? So basically, you have to stick to one account if you want to get rewarded. Okay, so now please remember the tournament is still in the beta testing and some issues can be still up. Okay, so the site is still prone to issues. So in case you have any issues, you should not be surprised. Okay, now this is the rules of this account. So the maximum drawdown is 10%. Okay, so it starts on the 3rd of August. Now, make sure you look at the rules and make sure you look at the instruments that you can trade, because in here, as you can see, you can only trade BTC USD and Ethereum USD on this account. You cannot trade any other pair outside of this. As you can see, the entry fee is $0, so it is totally free. Okay, guys. So I'm going to pause the video here, and then we'll come back on Saturday to see how we can actually take some trades on these accounts. Okay, so when the competition is live, right, and we have a because when the competition is live, you are going to have a specific amount of time to pass the competition and be ahead of other players in order to get the prize, right? So basically, let's pause the video here.
One eternity later.
Okay, so the challenge has officially kickstarted. This is Saturday, 12 p.m. precisely, and I think I'm a bit late because I actually thought it was going to be around 5 p.m. Okay, so I just said let me check, and I noticed that challenge has started already. Probably I did not actually get the timing accurately. Okay, so yeah, I have just 5 hours and 10 minutes left for this challenge to be over. Now, if you notice here on my on my left hand side, we have just two pairs that we can trade, which is BTC USD and Ethereum USDT. Now, this is due to the fact that today is Crypto Saturday. If you actually want to trade Forex pairs, probably you go to the other competitions like the London Clash or the New York Clash. Okay, so that's the start. At my right hand side, you notice that we have a larger number of players that are involved compared to the initial start of this video, right? Where we had just 100 and something players, I guess. So as you can see, alongside their name is their losses. Okay, so the losses is actually read in percentages and not in numbers, because if you look at this, okay, at this my equity panel, notice that there is no balance written down here, right? Like I told you before, this is simulation. This is just the game. Like a lot of players coming together to actually win something. They are not Everything is based on their own terms and conditions, their own rules and how they define it. Okay, so basically they are not giving you any balance here. All they want from you is to make profit and increase your percentage. Without further ado, I think I should take some trades because I don't have much time presently. Okay, I think we discussed the rules earlier on. We have just 10% max drawdown. So if you exceed the drawdown, you get thrown off the competition. Okay, in here you can adjust your leverage 10x. I think I'm going to use 20x right here because I'm out of time. I really need to make money. Okay, so let's see if you can catch a few trades right here. Now, BTC is presently trending in an upward scaly direction. But let's see what we can do. I'm just going to place random trades for the sake of this video to show you how it works. Okay, so I think I'm just going to buy from here. Right, as you can see, immediately I bought, my position is already reading, and my profit is at 0.52%. Like I told you before, it's not based on balance, not based on it's not based on numbers, right? It's based on percentages. Okay, they don't show you your profit and losses in numbers, like an equity form. Okay, it's based on percentages. So if you exceed 10%, you are out. Okay, so I just place this trade to show you how it works and how everything looks like. Okay, so yeah, this is everything that you need to know about this challenge. Okay, so the terms and conditions, I think I've stated them earlier already. Make sure you do not open more than two accounts, or more than one account, sorry, on a single device, because they're going to trace your IP address and block and get you out of the competition automatically. Okay, so that's it. I think that's a wrap for this video. Okay, so the link to this site is in the description. Okay, so make sure you click on that link. It will take you there, right? Thank you guys very much. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe.